Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up HST in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your account and find the Taxes menu on the left navigation bar. Click on it, then select Set Up Tax to start the guided setup. You'll need to enable the Sales Tax feature in your settings, then enter your business's HST registration number and choose your filing frequency. This ensures QuickBooks can correctly track and report your sales tax obligations. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once the sales tax feature is enabled, you'll configure your tax preferences. You can add your specific provincial HST rate, for example, 13% for Ontario. QuickBooks allows you to set up custom rates like a 5% HST rate for meals, which accounts for partial deductibility. It's crucial to assign the correct sales tax codes to your customers' products and services to ensure accurate calculations on transactions. When creating invoices or sales receipts, QuickBooks Online will automatically apply the appropriate HST rate based on your setup. Simply select the correct tax code, and the system calculates the HST amount for you. If your prices already include tax, you can enable the Amounts Inc. tax toggle on your transaction documents. This feature allows QuickBooks to work backward and calculate the tax portion from the total amount. QuickBooks Online helps you prepare your HST return by generating detailed reports of collected and paid HST. You can review these reports to ensure all transactions are captured correctly. Once prepared, you can file your HST return directly with the CRA using options like NetFile or My Business Account, copying amounts from QuickBooks. After filing, mark the return as filed in QuickBooks to lock down the period and record your payment. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.